My name is Dan McCarthy. I'm going to facilitate the commercial inspection training electrical portion of these videos that you're about to see. In talking about these videos, there's a couple things I want to go over with you. Number one, this training course is to become a facilitator. You are going to be the person that coordinates the inspection. You're going to need to have a third party or a commercial company come in and do the inspection on different materials and equipment and components and things like that that's there that you don't have the expertise to talk about. Start off with an Ansel system, a cable tray, a switchgear, contactor, a generator. These are things that you will come across depending upon the condition of your commercial property. You've got a transformer, basically a gray box. They could be as big as a semi-truck trailer or as small as 2 foot by 3 foot. These are also not to become a code inspector. I am a code inspector. I'm ICC certified in commercial structural inspector and ICC certified in commercial electrical inspector. I've been a commercial electrician for 18 years. You don't want to be in the position I am. You don't want to do what I do. So you want to hire someone like me to do the inspection that knows the equipment and how it's installed, what it is, how many phases, 3-phase, what the torque value is on the switch gear, for instance, how many pounds per square inch it must be torqued to, what type of light it is, whether it's mercury halide, sodium vapor. You want to have someone that knows what they're doing, what they're looking at, what your particular commercial property is. You want someone with that background and knowledge that's an expert in that area. You're going to take all the notes, you're going to take all the pictures, you're going to do a report. Whoever hires you to do this inspection, you're going to give them a report on their commercial property. You may need to have third-party inspectors to do your electrical. If it's a large, big warehouse, for instance, with 480 3-phase transformers, switch gears, motor control centers. The dangers in the commercial electrical inspections is that they are much different than residential's. There is more voltage and amperage used, therefore increasing the danger. But the smaller properties, like a mom and pop pizza place or a little flower shop in a strip mall, things like that, you may feel confident enough to do them yourselves. There's not a lot of difference between that commercial inspection and a large residential home. You will not want to open any of these high voltage panels. You will not want to open a transformer. You will not want to do any of these things. Leave that to the third party, qualified, certified experts to do that. And they will give you a report that you add into your report. You will coordinate all these different inspectors and different companies and third-party people to help you with your inspection as a facilitator. You will do all the record keeping, you will coordinate when they come, but you need to know what the items that they're talking about are. And that's what a large portion of our video is going to tell you, is what these things are that you've never heard of or seen before. So you'll have the background of what you need to say in your report. So it's very important that you have all these all this information organized in an orderly manner for the report. You need to understand and be familiar with these items. You need to locate and document the condition of different components and equipment. And this course will help you do that so you can talk to your third-party experts and companies. So thank you very much. Dan McCarthy. Let's get started with our course.